Good day, everyone. We are the Blue 5 and we are about to present blockchain technology in relation to SCM or supply chain management. By the way, I am Edison Diaz, the leader of this group. First of all, I would like to thank the Knowledge at Wharton podcast, which is our source in this topic and was published last 30th of July 2019. This podcast was a recorded interview by the Knowledge at Wharton to Dr. Stefan Gisetner. Dr. Gisetner is a partner and a director at Boston Consulting Group. He is an expert in supply chain management and logistics with deep experience in digital supply chain transformation. In addition to that, he is also a adjunct professor at the MIT Global Scale Network and teach a digital supply chain masterclass. MIT Global Scale Network is an international alliance of leading research and education centers dedicated to supply chain and Logistics excellence. In this topic, we will talk about when does blockchain become a significant technology in supply chain management. We will also explore the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize the supply chain management that includes increasing in transparency, accountability, and efficiency. Now for our main discussion. To begin with, what is supply chain management? What is blockchain technology? According to Dr. Gesetner, he defined the supply chain management as the end-to-end synchronization of entire value chains. In simple terms, end-to-end means it is the flow of values from the producer to the consumer in synchronized or organized manner. Blockchain, on the other hand, according to Dr. Gesetner, it is a technology that enables the user to store data in a decentralized way. Now, when I say decentralized, that means it is not a single database. It uses distributed ledgers, distributed storage opportunities, and stores uh, into blocks into the network. That is why it is called blockchain. To give you a simple picture, how does blockchain work? Example, there are three people, no? Person one, two, and three. Example, they all write to each other. So uh, persons represents the blocks and letters represent the chain that connects those three. Now, person one write a letter to person two, meaning the letter sender is person one and the receiver is person two. Then person two write letter to person three. This means the sender of this letter is the person two and the receiver is the person three. All person has the copy of those letters. So if you want to change the person two or three or even the person one, you cannot do that because their name is on the letter which everyone has a copy. That is the blockchain. Everybody see those letters, but they cannot easily change it because it is distributed. So that is the concept of the blockchain technology.
So, how does blockchain transform the supply chain management? Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that uses cryptography to secure the data stored on it. It allows multiple parties to have access to a shared and decentralized database, which is virtually impossible to alter or hack. In the context of supply chain management, blockchain technology can be used to create a transparent and secure record of a product's journey from the time it leaves the factory to the time it reaches the customer. This is achieved by creating a digital record of each step of the supply chain, including the origin, transportation, storage, and delivery of the product. For example, let's consider a shipment of from a farm in Florida to a grocery store in New York. As the shipment moves from the farm to the store, each step is recorded on the blockchain. This includes information about the type and quantity of oranges, the date and time they were harvested, the mode of transportation used, and the temperature at which they were stored. This information is accessible to all parties involved in the supply chain, including the farm, transportation companies, and the grocery store. Since the data is stored on the blockchain, it is tamper-proof and cannot be altered or deleted. This ensures that all parties have access to accurate and up-to-date information about the shipment, which can be used to improve efficiency and reduce the risk of frauds or errors. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize supply chain management by creating a transparent, secure, and efficient system for tracking the journey of products from the time they leave the factory to the time they reach the customer.
What industries does blockchain is more relevant when it comes to supply chain? According to Dr. Gesetner, blockchain will be more relevant in healthcare industries, pharmaceuticals, perhaps, where authority applications is needed to track down every single unit of sale and at the same time to trace back where it came from. Since the value of trust is high, according to Dr. Gsedner, we want to trust this medicine, where it goes, where it came from, and because, uh, of course, our lives depends on them.
Limitation of blockchain technology in the supply chain management. However, the supplier landscape for electric vehicle is significantly different. There are new players in the game with varying capabilities. They are not as well known to automotive or OEMs, and many new connections must be made. As a result, blockchain can be play as a role here. By using blockchain as an exchange protocol, the additional value of trust can be established. However, traditional blockchain applications are not seen in the automotive sector as a whole. They may be more common in the logistics.
Which aspects of supply chain management do you think will be transformed the most because of blockchain based solutions and why? Since blockchain is a network play, we will see the biggest impact in situations where there are dispersed networks and where many parties are involved. It will have most impact in complex environments and less impact in, say, one factory.
The importance of blockchain in 20th century. A supply chain involves numerous entities, including businesses and governments, as well as multiple departments within each of entities. However, 62% of the companies polled stated that they only have limited visibility into their supply chain. Companies and governments began to digitize supply chain management in the late 20th century, resulting in the introduction of software such as distribution and fleet management system, automatic ordering system, automatic storage and retrieval system, and the transport management system. However, not all ERP systems are capable of integrating all of the various software systems.
How does blockchain technology improve supply chain management? Unlike traditional supply chains, Blockchain-based supply chains will automatically update the data transaction records when a change is made, enhancing traceability along the overall supply chain network. Blockchain-based supply chain networks might need a closed, private and permission blockchain with limited actors, in contrast to Bitcoin and other financial blockchain applications which may be public. However, the possibility of more open set of partnerships may still exist. In blockchain-based supply networks, four key actors play roles, including registrars, standard organizations, certifiers, and actors. Registrars. They provide network actors with distinct identities. Standard organizations. These organizations develop blockchain rules and technical specifications or standard schemes such as fair trade for environmentally friendly supply chains. Certifiers. They certify individuals for involvement in supply chain networks. Actors. A registered auditor or certifier must certify participants or actors, such as producers, sellers, and buyers to retain the system's credibility. How a product is owned or transferred by a specific actor is an intriguing feature of structure and flow of management and among the benefits of blockchain in supply chain management. But does blockchain make supply chain management more transparent? As the concerned parties are required to fulfill a smart contract condition before a product is transferred or sold to another actor to validate the exchange of goods or services, and the blockchain ledger is updated with transaction information after all the participants have complied with their duties and processes. Overall transparency across the value chain is improved. Additionally, the nature, quantity, quality, location, and ownership product dimensions are transparently specified by blockchain technology. As a result, customers can view the continuous chain of custody and transaction from the raw materials to the final sale, eliminating requirement for a reliable central organization to administer and maintain digital supply chains.
We will be discussing the lessons from the article Blockchain for Supply Chain Management. The article highlights the benefits of incorporating blockchain in supply chain management, and we will be focusing on four key points that companies can use to improve their operations. These key points are traceability, standardization, collaboration, and data quality. Let's dive into the details. Lesson number 1: Traceability. Traceability is a critical aspect of supply chain management, and blockchain technology has the ability to greatly enhance it. With blockchain, we can track the movements of goods from origin to destination in real time, which helps increase accountability and transparency in the supply chain. This improved level of traceability can have a positive impact on the efficiency and effectiveness of the entire supply chain. Number 2, standardization. Standardization is another crucial aspect of incorporating blockchain technology into supply chain management. In order to fully realize the benefits of blockchain, it is important for the companies to adopt standardized data fields and protocols. This helps ensure that the information recorded on the blockchain is consistent and interoperable, making it easier to access and use by all stakeholders in the supply chain. Number 3, collaboration. Collaboration is a key factor in the success of blockchain technology in supply chain management. Companies must work together and share data in order to ensure that the information recorded on the blockchain is accurate and up to date. Without collaboration, blockchain technology in the supply chain would be limited in its ability to drive efficiency and effectiveness. Number 4, data quality. Finally, the quality of data recorded on the blockchain is critical to its success in supply chain management. Accurate data is essential for informed decision making and avoiding negative impacts on the supply chain. It is important for companies to ensure that the data recorded on the blockchain is accurate and up to date, as inaccurate data can lead to incorrect decisions and negatively impact the supply chain. In conclusion, these key points highlight the importance of traceability, standardization, collaboration, and data quality in the successful implementation of blockchain in supply chain management.